Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jonafi Salvedario from Capiz, Philippines. I'm 40 years old. I'm a single mom with two kids, ages 19 and 15. I'm a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education, major in Home Economics. My hobbies are cooking, gardening, and playing sports. My work experience. I worked as a domestic helper in Dubai for almost 14 years. I served one couple and four children, ages 16, 14, 10, and 7 years old. My duties and responsibilities are washing clothes, ironing, washing dishes, and most especially, taking care of the children and sending them to school. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to give my family a better life, especially my children. I can also sing a nursery song like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. And to my future employer, please choose me as your housemate, and I promise to do my best to serve you as my own. Thank you and have a nice day.